So we are ready to connect the venting. As you can see, once again, very limited on space, a little bit tight, but I think we got it figured out. I took some measurements and everything should fall in place pretty good right now. The reason we are using the rubber coupler is mostly for service purposes. If for some reason this blower motor goes bad, you need to remove the venting pipes inside the furnace compartment in order to remove the blower motor. So by having it with a rubber coupler versus a glued connection, it will help you down the line when you have to do service. So we have the cap right here where the pipes are penetrating through, so everything is nice and sealed. And we are going to put a 90 elbow going up, a long sweep 90. And we are going to have a straight 90 right here. Everything should line up. We are going to cut our PVC pipes, measure and make sure everything falls in place. And once that's done, we are going to primer and glue everything, and we'll bring you back on once it's done so you can see the final product.